Hello. In this session, we just start with the basics of Python for cricket lovers. So we are introducing a new course called Python for cricket lovers. So whoever understand cricket, they can learn Python very easily, some kind of thing. So you get interest on cricket, then we will help you to learn Python in a cricket way. Simple. That's what we are doing. So for that, we are using this as a reference. I have this code. There's a reference code. If anything, let's say if you're stuck, then you want to get back to the track, this is our basic code actually. And we'll start with the minimum actually. Okay. Before that, we just want to run it through. Let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, I'm in this one. Then I do have, so I'm gonna do conda activate. So I have conda enabled. So conda enable is I'm gonna use ML12. Conda activate ML12. I do have a shortcut. So CDE means conda deactivate. ML12 means conda activate ML312. Okay. And I can check Python version. I do have another shortcut, Python version. I can do that. Okay. I'm going to enable conda and everything. ML12 or M12. So I have these kind of aliases actually. Okay. When I have aliases, M12, which means ML12. When I have another alias called ML12, what the heck is ML12? There is ML312. What is ML312? Contact me. See? So these are the easy shortcuts I have, which will save even 1 seconds of my time. If you think about Linux developers, like whoever worked on Linux or Mac, they know what I'm talking about. Even 1 second, even 1 microsecond is very, very important for us. So we don't want to waste. We are lazy, number one. Number two, we don't want to waste too much time. If something is repeatable, we create a shortcut for it actually. We have a lot of shortcut into, we go alias. Okay. Alias is the all collection we have actually. These are my recent shortcut. You can just go on, try them out. You can't do it on Windows, only you can do it on MacBook or Linux or related stuff. Okay. Okay, let's not worry about that. Where am I? I need to run this one. Okay, let's go inside. Understand which code I have. Cricket tutorial, blah blah blah, knockout match. Okay, I can try knockout match. This is the final output, how it's gonna be. Okay, it says knockout match, Sri Lanka, Team B, England, England versus Sri Lanka. Okay, and then I used old players because these are the players I was aware of. I was known of these things actually. Okay, yeah, it's a simple cricket match. Okay, in Python actually. That's it. This is what we will be doing it down the road. Okay, so that's cool. It's a cricket wiki, blah blah blah. So we came up with the 2 hour cricket. That's cool. Oh, we already have the winner. Oh, the second knockout match is going on. Oh my god, that how many knockout matches going on? Let's verify that. Let's not get into too much of this. Tournament. They're gonna do the tournament. In the tournament, they're gonna have league matches, 4 teams. So 2 matches. So, sorry, 2 knockout matches, 1 final match, I guess. Okay, winners Australia. That's cool. That's it. I think that's it. Okay, they don't have a winner actually. Play game, final match. So they're playing 1 match, 2 match, 3 match. 3 match they have to play. Oh yeah, this is the final. Final. Australia versus Sri Lanka. Nice. It's like a World Cup again. Okay, how much they got scored? Ricky Ponting scored 3-6. Australia won by 8 wickets. Nice. That's it. Easy. We used a 2 over match. So this one, we already published these things actually. We go to PyPy, click Py 2. We already published this one actually. We already did this one actually. So we get to use it. Right? We're going to do the same thing, a little bit of more details. We will be doing it. Right? We already have this repository, but we haven't started anything yet. So I'm gonna create a simple commit. I have a shortcut. So like simple, I'll do this stuff. Okay. DHEI. Okay, I have a small shortcut. Then I'm gonna open up the file. Then I call them a simple HTML. Okay. Uh, cricket.py. Okay. So well, let me run this one first. Cricket.py. Okay. Just type something, blah, blah, blah. Okay. That's cool. Everything I have to start with the stuff. Right? This is like very, very important. Double underscore name, double underscore main. Why do we need it? Okay. Why can't we do this way? So why can't we do this way? What's the difference between this and this? Both will work. Why can't we do the other way? That's very important that you need to understand. Okay. So that's an interview question. So someone will explain it to you, maybe another mentor, they will explain it to you. But right now, I'm going to use this. So let's say it's start by, then all the definition will go here. But simple print having it. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to say, so print of, what is it? What do I need here? It starts with the playing over. That's it. I need this stuff. I need to do playing over. So I need to do this stuff. So let's do this one by one. Okay. This is like I need to do. Let's start with the 1.1 first over. In that case, 0.1 over. Not okay. 0.1. This is the first one. Okay. So must go blah blah blah. XYZ player scored. Okay. Player one scored. Sangaka. Okay. So player one name. Something like that. Okay. Scored, I'm gonna use it. Cricket. Player name. Cricket. Okay. Simple. So I need to comment it out. Okay. What I'm doing it, the first ball, player name, scored random number. Okay. I need to get this random number. How do I do it? Get random score. The random score would be like, so I need to return something. So I'm gonna use pass. Pass is saying like, oh, I'll do some later changes here, but right now just putting it's like placeholder kind of thing. Okay, and I'm gonna say import random, return of random dot rand int of 0 to 6, maximum 6 score. Okay, got it. That sounds good. I'm gonna say current score, mm, current run, not the run, not the score run. Current run equal to get random run of something. Sounds good. Then I use the F string. When I use F string, I can put it like this. Easy. Let's give it a try. Okay, sounds good. Player one name scored 1. Second time, can 0. Third time, 5. Fourth time, nice. So in this case, you never get to have a wicket. Let's worry about the wicket later. Okay. Okay. So what we can do that? We can improve. Improve the weights to do. Improve the weights. So we can get wicket as well. However, wicket, however, getting a wicket should be 1 out of 15 scenario balls. Or else 1 out of 45 balls, maybe 25 balls. Okay. We don't want to get wicket every time. Okay. That's it. Easy. We will improve it to do. We said that to do actually. We put like to do like this, so they just put it like they differentiate. Okay, sounds good. Right now, this is fine. I need to get the player name. Okay, what can I get? Def get random player name. Return of something. Okay, I have a player name. So team one, let's go with random player name. Player names. Okay, let's see. Uh, let's go with what are the players available. Since I'm in Canada, Canadian cricket players. Canadian cricketers are not that much good enough. That's okay. Okay, okay. Akil Kumar. Let's just currency. I never heard of these names in my life. Okay, okay. So let's move on. That guy is my tenant, by the way. So he stays in my condo. But again, like, let's not talk about the house things. What else? Maybe Zafar. Sounds good. Play names. They're gonna go with random dot choice, right? I guess that's the one. Let's see. Choice of play names. Let's see whether it's working or not. Okay. Then I'm gonna say current player. Current player. And then set up this using this. Easy. Nice. Sounds good. But every time it's gonna take up. That's fine. Not a big deal right now. So far, I'm good. I like this changes. I'm gonna commit it. I have a shortcut to commit. Base code order. Okay, when I say GACM, I have a shortcut. Git add dot and then git commit hyphen m. These are the things I do that. So when I say GACM, it automatically includes git add dot git commit hyphen m. That's it. Okay. Instead of doing the stuff one regularly, I use this command. And I'll say base code added. Then git push. Instead of git push like this, I just say gish shortcut. Easy. I'm gonna verify that it's done or not. Okay, it's done. Not a big deal. So far it's good. Okay, but the problem is every time when you run, it's gonna create a new name, new player. Okay, that's okay so far. What I can do, so def hmm, play ball. So play ball, something like that. And then I'll copy the stuff, put it in here. Play single ball. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna copy this into here. Sounds good. By cricket. Sounds good. Oh, so far sounds good. Then I want to do like I want to play for over. Okay, how do I do it? Definition play over. Play single over. So I'm doing this, play single over. Okay. So in this case, I want to get I want to get single ball. Now let's see how it works. For I in range of 6, then play single ball. Every time I can call them. Not a big deal. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, everything once comes very quick time. Okay? I want to do like simple time sleep. There is something called import time. Is that right? Import time, I guess. Okay. So every after ball, time dot sleep 1 second. Let's give it a try. 1 second. One second, one second. That's cool. That's so far good. But it says 0 0.1 point 1 point, and also every time the player changes, which is not okay. I Let me keep one player plays all. How do I do it? Single ball. I'm gonna forward this player. Get the current player from here. Put it in here. Sounds good. Now I'm gonna forward the current player name in here. Okay. So C player name. Okay. And then I'm gonna use it. There you go. Let's see. Just currency scored 6 6 6 6. Nice. 6, nice. So far it's okay. This is okay so far. However, you don't see that like 0 0.1, 0 0.2. Okay. So I need 0 0.2. It's always constant. I want to change it. So what I'm going to do it. So let's see this. The next ball I need to do that. Okay. Current ball index, something like that. I'm gonna do this. Then I'm gonna change this to current ball. That's good. This index I need to get it. Okay. Sounds good. Current ball. Then I is the index. But I need to say I plus one. Okay. If I put I, it's gonna go zero. Zeroth ball. No. Okay. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's fine so far. So I need to know which over. If this is only one over right now. Play single over. Sounds good. Not a big deal. Okay. If it is a single over, I need to say, very interesting. So current over and ball. Okay, like this. So current over is 0th over, then ball. Ball is I plus 1. Then current over and ball. Nice so far. Cool. This is very cool actually. This is cool. Okay. So we'll do the rest in the next session actually. Thank you.